Hello, welcome back, and we're going to learn how to enter dates in Microsoft Excel. We already put in the months here, but I want us to start afresh and see how to enter the year. So here, as example, we saw I can write January, okay, and Excel still knows that that's a month, or I can just do Jan. And once I drag from the end here, I just click on it, go to the further end of the cell and just drag. Okay, it just knows that's a month and you want to form a continuum basis on it. Okay, so on this tutorial we're going to learn how to enter dates, and I want you to see properly that the date here is left aligned, but watch what happens once I include the year. So to include the year, I'll just put a hyphen and do 2023, then hit on enter. See, it becomes right aligned on the cell, because you can see on the formula bar, once I put the year, it shifts it to 1st of January 2023. This can be confusing at times because there are two date formats that we use in Excel. One is the American format and the other one is the UK format. The difference between the two is one of them starts with the month, then goes to the date, and the other one starts with the date, goes to the month. Okay, that's the only difference between the two. Once I've put in the year, let me just do Jan. I used the hyphen. Okay, 2023. I'm just using the year right now. It gave me that, but I can also do Jan and then the backslash 2023 and still gives the same. Okay, Jan 2023, prefer this. Okay, then if I click and drag, look at what happens. It just does a beautiful continuum. It helps you not to come here again and type February 2023, March 2023, like that. Okay, so that's how you enter dates, and especially the months. I've not included the day, but that's generally how you're going to enter it, and realize that just like numbers, dates are right aligned. Okay, that's it. See you in the next tutorial where we are going to learn about using cell references. It's a beautiful tutorial. Okay, see you then.